everyone, my name is Ngoun Solaura. I am grade 2 English student at the Camtop International School on Campus 3. Today, I would like to talk about making new friends at school. Starting at new school can be scary, but making new friends is easier than you think. On my first day, I feel nervous because I didn't know anyone, so I introduced myself to people around me and asked them questions about their interests. I discovered that many students share my interests in sport and art. Finding common help us feel more comfortable. Then I joined the art club, and that's where I met even more friends. My advice: to be brave, introduce yourself, find what I love, and join activity. That's all for my speech. Thank you, everyone.